You might have spent countless hours and dollars on fertilizers this month, knowing your soil isn't truly alive, it's just surviving. But what if I told you there's a method that can flip that on its head? A way to turn your soil into a living factory that feeds your plants endlessly, naturally. That's exactly what JADAM does, and it's about to change the way you garden forever. Understanding the power of soil life. Soil isn't dirt. It's a living ecosystem, teeming with bacteria, fungi, and countless microorganisms that work tirelessly to recycle nutrients, decompose organic matter, and support plant health. Most chemical fertilizers ignore this complex web, giving plants a quick fix of nutrients while leaving the soil sterile and dependent on more chemicals. JADAM changes that dynamic entirely. Instead of feeding the plant directly, it feeds the soil, which then feeds your crops naturally and infinitely. Making your own fertilizer, JADAM emphasizes simple, accessible ingredients that any gardener can use. One of the key components is JADAM Microbial Solution, or JMS. It's made from fermented plant extracts combined with sugar and water, creating a living soup of beneficial microbes. To make it, take 100 grams of sugar, 1 liter of water, and 50 grams of chopped local greens. Mix them in a clean container and let it ferment for 7 days at room temperature, stirring daily. This solution is then diluted 500 times before applying to the soil, meaning 1 liter of JMS can create 500 liters of living fertilizer, ready to rejuvenate your garden. Once you've got your JMS ready, it's time to activate your soil. Spread organic matter like leaves, vegetable scraps, or straw over your beds and lightly mix it into the top layer. Then, pour your diluted JMS across the soil evenly. This wakes up the dormant microbes, setting off a chain reaction of decomposition and nutrient cycling. Within a few weeks, you'll notice a transformation. The soil darkens, smells earthy and rich, and starts to hold moisture far better than ever before. The magic of JADAM really lies in its self-sustaining cycle. Once your soil is alive, it begins to regenerate nutrients on its own. Microbes break down organic matter into compounds plants can absorb. Dead roots and fallen leaves feed these microbes, keeping the system running endlessly. You're no longer chasing the next fertilizer bag. Instead, your garden becomes a closed-loop ecosystem, producing its own fertility naturally. A thriving microbial community doesn't just feed plants, it protects them too. Healthy soil grows resilient plants that can resist pests and disease. Beneficial microbes outcompete harmful ones, reducing the need for chemical pesticides. Over time, your garden develops a balance that supports strong roots, lush foliage, and more productive crops without synthetic inputs. It's a natural insurance policy for gardeners who are, honestly, tired of chemicals failing them year after year. Simple maintenance for infinite fertility. Keeping your soil fertile with JADAM doesn't require, constant attention. Every month or two, just apply diluted JMS to maintain microbial activity. Keep adding organic matter as mulch or compost, and your soil will continue to regenerate itself. The process is forgiving, adaptable, and scalable, whether you're working with a small backyard plot or a larger garden. Once the system is established, the soil practically takes care of itself, letting you focus on enjoying the harvest instead of managing inputs. Beyond your garden, this method has major implications for the planet. Chemical fertilizers leach into waterways, cause greenhouse gas emissions, and degrade ecosystems. JADAM, by contrast, restores natural cycles, reduces waste, and minimizes chemical dependency. Every time you use JMS and organic inputs instead of synthetic fertilizers, you're contributing to, a healthier, more sustainable world. Gardeners who switch to JADAM report striking changes. Soil becomes crumbly yet moist, worms and other beneficial insects return, and plants grow faster with deeper color and stronger fruit. These results aren't temporary, they accumulate over seasons. The longer you work with living soil, the more productive it becomes. It's not magic, it's microbiology in action, and it works with whatever crops you grow. You don't need fancy equipment or exotic ingredients to start. Basic containers, a kitchen scale, water, sugar, and your garden scraps are enough. Make your first batch of JMS, prepare the soil with organic matter, and watch as your garden transforms. Within weeks, you'll notice healthier plants, richer soil, and the feeling of independence that comes from never having to buy fertilizer again. JADAM offers more than a method, it offers freedom. Freedom from chemical dependency, freedom from recurring costs, and freedom to cultivate a garden that's truly alive. Once your soil becomes an infinite food factor, the only limit is your imagination. Your garden can sustain itself, feed your family, and even inspire neighbors to rethink what's possible in their own backyards. The change starts with understanding your soil and letting life take over. If you're ready to see your garden thrive like never before, hit that subscribe button and share this with fellow gardeners. The more people embrace living soil, the closer we get to gardens that nourish both us and the planet. Start today, and let your soil become an infinite source of life.